The 42 Cantius. The 42's overall performance and dockside amenities are simply outstanding.
With best-in-class accommodations and a unique open concept layout, the 42 Cantius wows even the most discerning yachtsmen. Stepping aboard, you'll notice the transom is wide and stable. A recessed swim ladder and retractable stairway make it easy to get into and out of the water, whether the transom is submerged or not. There's a load of storage with large compartments integrated into each side of this stainless steel grille. A great addition to the space. The starboard compartment holds all shore connections, protecting them from the elements. Under the grille and fully protected within another locker, you'll find a drawer-style beverage refrigerator. All of these features combined create an additional entertainment space that's easy to clean. Moving up to the cockpit, a portside wet bar area includes an ice maker and concealed trash receptacle. An L-shaped lounge with a real wood cocktail table create a nice entertainment area.
Check this out. A multifunctional triple-pane stainless glass door fully opens, connecting the cockpit and interior salon. This new door technology creates single-level open-air space for you and your guests.
Moving up to the foredeck via the wide side decks is simple and secure. Lounge-style integral seating with recessed LED lighting and a pop-up cocktail table provide a great forward entertainment space. The windlass winch is standard.
This yacht feels larger than it is because of its terrific layout, comfortable movement throughout, from the cockpit stairway all the way to the helm.
At the helm, you'll find an open 360 degrees of visibility. Volvo IPS engines that include joystick control, dual 12-inch navigation screens, VHF radio, tilt steering wheel, and a double-wide helm chair that adjust fore and aft provide a state-of-the-art command station. A newly designed Webasto sunroof opens with a push of a button. A large portside lounge seat provides additional seating and a great place to relax. The galley layout is clean and simple. It's outfitted with a stainless refrigerator freezer, dual burner cooktop stove, combination convection oven microwave, stainless sink with designer faucet, and plenty of cabinet storage, all the comforts of home. Starboard, an elevated dinette with seating for 4 creates a large entertainment space. And with the sliding doors fully opened, it's a comfortable spot to enjoy the journey.
The accommodation level on the 42 is without question a highlight of the yacht, where 2 spectacular staterooms can be almost interchangeable as the master suite. Both include private ensuite head arrangements.
The forward stateroom includes an island V berth with drawer storage at the foot of the berth. 2 large hanging lockers are positioned port and starboard. The full-beam mid-cabin stateroom has even more refined sleeping space and luxury. With an additional full-size sofa that converts to a traditional sleeping area, along with its private ensuite head arrangement, the 42's mid-cabin is outstanding. Both heads include large glass stall showers, designer fixtures, and luxury vanities.
42 feet of pure sophistication and comfort. Her stable ride and yacht certified features make it an exceptional value. See trial it for yourself. We'll see you on the water.